In this video, I'm going to show you how to change language on YouTube video. So first you want to open up a YouTube video and search for the creator. In my case, I'm going to search for Mr. Beast. Then you need to wait until the ad is over. And then I'm going to show you what you need to do. You need to click on the top right where you see this gear selector. And then you see audio track. And then you have Arabic, English, French, Hindi. And depending on which you choose, it's going to play it in that language. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.